Welcome to Voya Digital YouTube channel, Python tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about ID function. ID function in Python. ID function. What is ID? What is the use of the ID? ID function in Python. First of all, ID is inbuilt function. ID is a built-in function. ID is a built-in function. It is a predefined function. It is not a user-defined word. It is a predefined function. What returns? The ID function. The ID function returns the address of the given object. The ID function returns the address of the given object. And the third point is this address has to be unique. It is not the same, it is a unique and constant for this object. Unique and constant for this object during the execution of the program. During the execution of the program. And another important point is the ID function is the object's memory address. And will be different for each time you run the program. You run the program. And the sixth one, what is the syntax of the ID function? The syntax is very important. The syntax is ID of any object name. This function simply, ID function returns the address of the given object. What is object? In other programming languages, it is called as a variable. But in Python, everything is object. Python is everything object. ID function. The syntax of the ID function is ID. The syntax is ID object name. Any object name. What is here? ID is a built-in function. Here, what is object name? Object name is a parameter. Object name is any object. That is it may be either integer object, it may be either float object, it may be string object, it may be complex type object, it may be boolean type, or it may be list type, or it may be tuple type, or it may be set type, or dictionary type, or class type, or function type, or any hope, and so on. So it is called as a ID. Parenthesis start object name. This is the syntax of the ID function. ID. Here object name is the name of the object. So this function automatically returns the address of the given object or address of the variable. For example, x equal to 8. Here x equal to 8. What is x? X is a object of the integer class. In C language, C++, Java, x is called as a variable. It is stored like this. The memory allocation is stored like this. Here, x is a variable. It is stored the value, assigned the value is 8. So now here, it is called as a name of the variable. It is called as a name of the variable. And it is called as a value of the variable. And some unique ID, that is the, for example, 1790836. It is the address of the variable. In C language, C++, Java, and some other programming language. For example, x equal to 8, we are defining the x equal to 8. X is a variable. To assign the value is 8. X is a name of the variable. 8 is a value of the particular variable. 1790836. For example, you are assigning a value. For example, y equal to for example 10. For example, y equal to 10. Y is another variable. It is stored. It is assigned the value is 10. The address is the 192.3.1.8.1 some value. So now it is called as a value of the given variable. Okay, this is the name of the variable, and this is called the address of the variable. Address of the variable. This concept in C or C++ or Java, but in Python the total concept is different. For example, x equal to 8. It is stored. It is allocated memory. For example, x value equal to, x value equal to 8, and in y value equal to 10. It is assigned like this. It is allocated in the memory like this. For example, x value equal to 8, y value equal to 10. It is allocated. It is pointed. X is a object. Y is a object. This x object is pointing to 8 value. This x object is pointing to 8 value. This y object is pointing to 10. This y object is pointing to 10. The memory address is 182.3.1.7.6. For example, this memory address is 39.17.6.1.8. This is a different address. So this is a object name. This is called as a object name or variable name, and this is the value, and this is called as a value, and this is called the address of the object. This is the address of the object. Clear up to here, all of you? And go to, okay, for example, I will be explained with the example syntax. ID is a inbuilt function. This function is used to return the address of the given object. What is the object? Object means variable. In other programming language, object is called as a variable, but in Python, it is called as a object. For example, I explain the example: x equal to 8, y equal to 3. So here, this is a statement: print of x. Here the value of x. X value equal to, here the value of x. Here the value of x value equal to comma x, and the address of the x, print address of x, address of x equal to comma id of x. Id is a inbuilt function. This function is used to return the example 1. X is a variable object, y is a object, x value of x. And if you want to print the address of x, id of x, and similarly y also same. The y is also same value. Print the y value of y value equal to y, and address of y equal to id of y. Here up to here, all of you. Run the program. Go to run or press F5. Okay, now here display the answer. X value equal to 8. Address of x equal, this is the address of the x. This address is the memory location and will be different for each time you are running the program. Okay, you are running the program different for each time, or sometimes it is the same value or it's a different value. Okay, so object name is the name of the object. This is the name of the object. X is the object. This is the address. Y is the object. This is the address value. Okay. Again, run the program. Press F5 or run the program. Again, print the another value. Okay, the same value. Okay, now here address of x. For example, another example. To clear up to here, all of you. One more example. For example, the second example. We are running the second example. For example, example 2. Another example. Okay. Taking three variables. One variable, for example, a equal to 10, and the b equal to 20, c equal to 10, d equal to 10, a equal to 10. Print the address of a. Address of a equal to comma id. That means id of a. Again, the print address of b. Equal to comma id of b. Okay. Print address of c comma id of c. The address of c. Here what happens, sir? Here what happens? Value of A is 10. The value of B equal to 10. The value of C equal to 10. Okay, here A and B both are pointing to same location. It is very important. Run the program. Okay, now the address of A is 163.72.102. The address of B is 163.72.1052. The address of C is 163.72.1043. Both A and B both are pointing to same location. Both are pointing to some. What happens are internally. Internally, for example, A is a variable. A is a variable. A is a object. This object is pointing to the value equal to 10. B is a object. This object is pointing to the value equal to 20. C is a object. This object is pointing to 10. This C object is pointing to 10. The address is 163.72.10432. The address of A, and the address of B is 163.72.10592. This is the address of the B. Both A and C. If the values are same, both the objects are pointing to same location. If the values are different, both objects are pointing to the different locations. Okay, guys, up to here, clear all of you? Clear all of you? This is the ID function in Python. ID function in Python. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Okay. Okay. Go to the next session. We will continue for the next video. Okay, bye bye. Thank you very much. See you. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Via Digitally YouTube channel. Via Digitally YouTube channel. YouTube